Hey guys, here's the short mic. Right here is the module and then the mute button, and it's really cool. Here's the long mic. This one is the same as the short mic, basically the same thing. Right here's the audio bar, the mute button, and the audio. So we're gonna go ahead and unmute this. As I said previously, the long mic and the short mic are basically the same thing. See, you have the sound bar right here with the mute button, and I'm just gonna go ahead and unmute it.
This is the wired red mic. Sounds pretty good. This is the wired handheld clip on the shirt mic. These are the wireless handheld